I'd love to see more students wearing hoodies and t-shirts that has AUC logos on them, just like we see UCLA and Harvard merch. So it was just the obvious thing to do. We decided to collaborate with AUC in the new shop because it was the obvious thing to do. Being an alumnus, I take pride in AUC. I always wondered why AUC doesn't have its own merch. We were approached by the marketing office in AUC. The process was really smooth. They gave us the inspo and the designs, and we started sampling immediately. The samples got approved right away, and the process was very, very streamlined.
One of the biggest challenges that I faced recently was during COVID, because every factory around me and in the country and in the world were shutting down and closing their doors, but we just couldn't afford this. We didn't close even for a single day, and we shifted our specialization into casual wear, and we actually got more orders of casual wear during this season. I have come to learn that family businesses must be sustained like the family itself is sustained. Family businesses should not disappear, should not run out of business because the family is here. So the business carries the legacy of the family name.
To all budding entrepreneurs, I would definitely say be creative. The arena is open wide for creativity in the world. Definitely have a mentor. Stay flexible because the world keeps changing and you have to remain flexible with the changes going on around you. And keep evolving at all times. Just like the universe is expanding, you have to keep expanding and evolving.